Last week we were talking about biographies. It is books that are written about a person's life. Oftentimes in biography, the author usually tells about a person's life in the order it happened. So if you recall, last week we read a book called Nobody Owns the Sky, and that one was about Bessie Coleman. She was the first African American pilot. Um, Also, you heard the story called Odd Man Out about Albert Einstein. And as they the author writes about these people, they often write um, their life in order. As you can see in the chart at the bottom there, it talks about that he was born and then something else happened. Albert is a boy who doesn't talk. Then Albert gets older and wonders about how things work. And then finally, Albert is a grown up and a scientist. And you can see the order that it takes place. In the other book, Magic Trash, that we read, it is about Tyree, and it talks about how Tyree was young. Then Tyree is 9 years old and learns to paint outside. Then Tyree goes to art school. And then finally, Tyree is a grown up and an artist. So you can see how they show a person's life in the order that it happened. So today, I would like you to go to Epic. Your teacher has assigned you a book called A Picture Book of Helen Keller. Helen Keller is a true person, and it is a book about her life. And I would like you to read that and then take the quiz afterwards. And at the end of the book, you will see that it shows, notice the events of her life, and it's ordered in the order that it happened on the last page. Take a look at that and notice how the author did that to show how her life was put in order in the book. And it shows what happened first, what happened next, what happened later in her life. Um, it's always interesting when you're reading a biography how a person's life is ordered.